So, do you have water coming into your house right now from a recent storm? Is your roof currently leaking and causing havoc on you and your family? If so, your roof needs immediate attention to prevent any further water damage to your home or belongings. If you're having a roofing emergency, give us a call immediately so we can help you as fast as possible. We specialize in local emergency roof repairs, and we're standing by and available to help right now. We'll arrive fast, assess the situation, and implement a quick solution to prevent any further damage to your property and restore the peace of mind that you and your family deserve. If you need fast and reliable emergency roof repair, look no further. Give us a call now.